इस वक्त हमारे साथ यूरोपीय यूनियन डेलीगेशन के बहुत मेंबर मौजूद हैं, डैनियल.W.Clauss। इनसे बात करते हैं और जानते हैं इस इवेंट के बारे में कि ये इवेंट का मकसद क्या है, इससे कौन सी कल्चर डाइवर्सिटी को हम अप्रोच कर सकते हैं, हाउ वी कैन बैलेंस दिस सोसाइटी विद दिस काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटी। हेलो मिस्टर डैनियल।
Hello, how are you?
Thank you to join us. Let us know about this event. What is the aim of this event and how you think that should be planned for this community?
So the idea of Eurovillage is to show to the Pakistani audience what Europe is, right? The diversity of the 27 member states that exist, 12 of which are here at Eurovillage today, to show a little bit of their culture, of their food, of their traditions, through a very playful, family-friendly.
Okay, how important you think this kind of activity build a very sustainable and a peaceful society?
Well, I think when you understand that you're stronger together as a group of very different people that are very diverse in how they live their lives, but you're stronger together when you're sticking together, when you don't focus on conflicts and tensions, but you think about how can we come together, how can we respect each other and strive for the better good. I think that's a principle that is universal and that works for the European Union, but I think also for Pakistan.
Okay, thank you, Daniel. Let us know about this truck is behind. What's the interesting things that you feel in it?
Well, the truck for us is, of course, that's one of the most amazing Pakistani art pieces, right? The truck art is so rich, so fascinating, and the colors, the stories that are on these trucks. And so the EU truck is to showcase EU-Pakistan friendship. And actually this truck, after the Eurovillage today, will go around the country to bring the European Union to the people in different cities, from Karachi all the way up to Gilgit, so they understand better what the EU is about and what the EU is doing in Pakistan.